Thank you so much. Haba kusima spimbi amuno sana sukara chinga kichino gochaga mukwa times. Botame ngo batabinde nganje kinda ase bakandi yo yumanyite. Negete Nairobi gaiga ngaligo yumaite Dr. Joseph Irundu myamuno sana mwishimiwa sukara chinga kichiago gocha mukwa times.
Asante, thank you.
Botambe kirengo kuligi you accept to come on board.
Yes.
That humility is on another level. Tianya sago sesen.
Asante bro. Thank you so much. Omaite mbiago support also. Omaite online platform needs when people give you support, even participating unanacha. Yes.
Nalenge ke umbungu tara abantu kumbe mamaite. Wakambulunga kwere birundo. Usiyako kalambara kora for some days.
Yes, taken a small break. I've been there actually from February. Continuously, yes. I stayed for the first time in my career. This is the first time now very consecutively. 3-4 months no ndai gusi. So I needed a small break na ndela anywera. Na nali nko manyangole na inje na ngole utali na inje.
Ora observe.
Da observe ground. And it has shown me the 2-3 months na lenge gusi. We know wait.
Taibo.
Korugoro. Pakanse aneresia mangana change. Mpaka asende kosia bajumbe aba MC tina participate mono kwa manya but kururo mpaka anse togocha komesi esuti to irete saa moja njubiri
Omaite na akobori gole manifesto ogandebinga gokoira free education nyalvari church na akobori ya ningo abantu mbako maite lero nakoleta gangobori one simple thing iwa join Linda Mwananchi.
Linda Mwananchi, you know, it is one and the same thing in an opposition in general, where we come from. 20 people whatever one term, particularly balito torase understanding inga yaya bora imbole mete asense ya ito ya Kenya. So bono basically asoko igu montago tena venga kwa lo sirio gotera kwa igu montonaro gotera kwa gese mpaka ora sorora ora tegerera na ndengo simbantumbu ya bako chongelie gotero kubatia na aliere iri Linda Mwananchi ideology itobwatete buna antotore jubiri neyemo na ande kerogotegerera imekwa igungango kwa na balo mwana itu kwara endoro kwa witness rende na kibago kwa na kikiangireta alithika.
So far representation ase Linda Mwananchi yabagusi yachire gorobia sana.
Yes.
Is that an assurance inga kunya compatible munya leta smart yang?
Omanyete just to be honest. President Teyo presidential candidate or like the credentials Freddy Abugate.
Taibo.
Yeah. To be fair, kia kwano. Na bora ore package gete njena arengo kuru 1980 sinyarebe but origere liga ngai to etandi no nase tia cha yarenge.
Taibo.
Level yae.
Uchira ale.
Acceptable. Na arenge thika. Igakwa ni tuga ndo bagakura.
Kerba kwa na matiangirio nyonga ko buteba ngo mutumire.
Yes. You know, initially we had not talked about Fred. Well, Malenda kanyora libaga in the process ye program. Tojikero montale go yakire ko kolena go kwani abantu. Bono monto Fred lengali moimo. Bono kraikere tu agakwane ya Fred. Moiko nkwalo jage tateba nande mokolega sina wa munyoro onda gaswa gateba njiro mukamba no torabu abali ba western bagateba one time no torabu so kreika se na intu agokwanirwa ense yakura nete sana powerful so na intu bono that environment you know we belong there as well. So Linda Mwananchi Jubilee and 20 sabalna ya motole
indimoko na gusi.
Gusi, I'm not really in the middle of things, but into buate sabali ya gusi 2026. Turacha kire sabali ya saange. Tutaliro mwano ito kebagendi, musire. Tutalire chikanisa aliankenke. Tukwani abantu baitu sabali erego. Lakini lende kero turabu na boto konya kukwana lende ngana into buato ito lende.
Now Linda Mwananchi tiatwara gusi in the meantime boni conversation ngasene ya Busongo no governor ngayuraye
governor jeno munyalibali kindu munyalibali besides anything else to what a candidate yotenena koroku Ezekiel Majogombaki so nje as a person una birundu I have Majogu pakengoli nere wekora kaneta iyo Then within the structure ya Jubilee tubwata ata aspirants moima olo musani one sana ngotene nali mbato ko seri confusion bamanyenga kwa kuigwana na majugu to ko support
Igo
kali majugu atebe ngochia no ndapo
Igo to tebenga baigwana na baikaranza batebe who is going to be the candidate
na wala to make confusion because actually ungende ballot ngebwate majogu na momoima ali not vote
ogotiga
bono lende what are we doing
nkekyo
yeah
to go lose
oyo mo has to see the ground apa tutenga kibalengerereti obugambio obwo county no bwabo ni nawo kabalange kuboira yes
Present ntonyore tumongwana mbo manyali bali mwe msio itetu sana na ichuguni gali busongo amana ichuguni mweshimiwa yakutosha twakora.
Yeah, it's very painful. Just for lack of a better word, it is shameful. Unomogusi nganto itana singenjo ya differences in opinion in Kenya. Because beyond chikura uranyana nire mambi matiangi na lati twensipi no mugusi nemeze motole tukale gukwana huna abagere kwandu walwanetega Luhuru na Ruto yani Ruto na Raila bakanya bale meze we didn't have a way bantu bali balinge koramana oranyande kwarwanirio nande nere muikalaste nere mugukwanire nteka so it's really very very dangerous ko itera manyinga mura bantabamo
alibo
yes particularly muntu mwaragire nere nyomba umuntu tali criminal umuntu mo ko differ differences to what no ntubuna mwana tutwane nyali bali ngambugate mambi nkale ko ita Zaire it will be very painful. I can't go that route. But again, you realize abantu mbaro politically bako indicate ya sabana bali bago kolana bunga kiyaya no nyetole kwerendeye tali bwamate ya tali sekitole ya we are one. Let me tell you for instance I'm very close to Zail all these years. He is my friend.
Okay.
He knows me. I know him. Ninja Momaida, in fact, more than some of these things. And kwa no muzani one. Then imanya ko organize abantu bachiko mubwate myoyo. That is not the way we want to do this thing. It's a contest where if he wins, we give him another term. If we win, not if, because I'm seeing this one yora lile tamu ego chanean njange ngaki yeah na ndo endelea kokora iko wekero to kokora correction sito komote yaya mwana minto gaki kwaragire miaka ene gaki paranga yire kosto anyerolire bogirango it wakes him up igaro ya mubokiga bono bubekanga twachagite 2022 we were given him 4 years akoregas takoreti bono kero wege twakwanira matukabiro chakire goboka we will still say nga na kuna mete para aki omano minto make sure ya alire totaraenda chikura because into kito opposite into will not see the road kwa osiri but I can tell you for 4 years at least nararake narara 4 years yaya
woni gakonyanga jari
there's no what kilometer akiko ikalanse committee area cross chipara. It's not me saying it is evident no muzani onore ndio 2022 I voted for you, I supported you, he knows how I supported him but kakito ikire ngakie para yoka yeah. The same we are not fight, we cannot fight Okengo is also my brother Korueke Nyoreka Motokorua. In fact, to make it worse, we come from the same not only clan Enyombe yemo
ayeno Kengo nyamba
yes original nje na mabiri to ruete twins
na kimocha okora
kujia neno wala mabiria omondo jogote ya kwanza yebona no mumeru bana wa minto I don't dictating akinko ba lakini moyo ngaikiguno mogako minto ngasina ikire
nkagusia lakini bakoro ko mumeru
bana no torabu bono mate siasa yebwate kero monta kwerwanire siasa I can tell you we come actually for all these aspirants ninje bwe kana amenyire gali understand to our problems okay ngotara amenyeke geria manyenga itu no to ni to kali tarage anjere ali to menye to intu so you Zaire tara amenya ali nyari bale amenyete town tara manga ki binyoro ibire utara amenere mu town mate asigetaria in fact Zaire amenyete ali mboke tutu manyete okay ngo boke tutu which other candidate Tongi has been there. We gave him a chance. Miaka chitamu vile karali pension. Karate na vingine. Karali pension. We want you to come and guide. And you can higher league. Umaite Tongi na tubatazo yetu taluta mageno nje toko ngundanya kwa address. Because he can be our cabinet secretary.
Enyo nero usabe school.
Alabange binto bikaiga 20 tumna toko kora na majogu oze momo imavuna toko kora nero mugavana. So Tongi can be anything. So we wouldn't, but what he cannot be takuba mujumbe. Alikora atwarao tora test. Pension ya ikisa ni renki nando cha kuligiana.
Wano mheshimiwa tuanyole cases of bribery in Nyaribari Church. Zaidi urusiri 1,000 waniko kira 5,000 nekitu cha tuwa deal na manganayo ruchi utu wa 2027 gusiya ito go rich bribe
umanyete walito manyete zaile it's not 5,000 that is not even the way we are doing it because urangilia abantu 20-30 obake kabiso bogoleje besa abantu nabo koraigo it is no panic honenda rusi guntara kora na matuko ndio togo motebiyaya when we are telling you mwana minto colleagues kolera abantu baitegas we are not telling you and all gijibesa obogoli jibesa ocheko basera they can do that and one of the things you need to do etwakobo kio colleagues mwako yo motigarete tusigikanie karuchikura jeikire not kubogoli jibesa jeitozero bono bantu bana baliola organize obero kozi ne birongo nalo jale gotenga na take ownership ye birongo. These people organizing them into a circle. Weka 50 million yo. Kwa eto mejinde basari, mbali na balimba bwatu bana bale school batagete basari. Weka 50 million. Baruka inune birongo. 60 million. Ikomi ne birongo byake umbu. Ebonye kwa plani ko baroka. Don't use them as guns bachiko kura matanga. No. So that you can do better. And if you need consult tiakorangeria bana balio ba 3,000 ngalona nje nabachi nyinge dendo mwana oyo ngakiako chikomenya mwako mugima go chakorora next year chikura okulira matanga gera lituko olwani igwa sande
bono
it is so painful babange yes ebirongo sako sino abana balia baikuande babeke chikawoshi abantu babeke bagosoma chicharana bakolosa t-shirt ya siasa kia ikire bakolosa rie chia yero olo usi t-shirt Nairobi ire kenyoro alafu chibe t-shirt to ko organize into asako banya gosona obagolie
boniga mapema
bono mapema ambara obamaite go print abana ambara gali basubati mbamanyite gukora hasha ko igwete function bune yo kalimambi yo waziri baumurororo ebirongo esako haba bakali koruwa maji simple genda ali kegati ete maji itonaro organize ya maji ali awe package bogolie birongo byake gati bikoira maji amatanga chinyangi chikanisa. That is what we need. But yoko organize abana baito chikukura matanga ngabata kire gutaruka saa moja jikura chikale next year. So it was not bribery. It is the future that we are planning for Munyaribari. It's to understand abantu baito to understand chibasa chiroma tuna bakorera oseri ebibanda biri okorose kwanya kubeka chibanda jino bakorosia ba empower give them a source of income that is continuous no ruo lokolo mujumbe bagoteba gakisa kwetoli muntu tobegete nyare. That is what is being mentioned in each school jeito wagache birasi ebima bana bao batere na bio WhatsApp kirasi banya gotera na biro birasi bitatu ngokolosia gapara kamugotara bikuno nera midororo gose gwakuna mirozebe baje dinero wakire kirasi ne para twarosiria ibeno ngaye muntu masonga uchakorosia kero uchakorosia yake umbu oyo masongo turakuna turakune para nero ikoganyite kiogoro epara township gali cathedral kabante ba ukura kira litu ge ngwa you saw it. So that is what we are saying. We are saying you cannot do everything in the limitation of resources. Bati gaki mwana minto kigwa ikaransire body across jipare myaka 5 omwaka bwo muiso nalio gocha kulia realizing kwelende
tubata arama nakuru. Arama keeps on bringing roads there. The entire constituency system.
And the opposition.
I know I say the same committee.
Yes. The same committee.
Yes.
Osoro, Chafet, Baro Sirami. Into Gakina Batebiga. Chico ward to what jiresita. Kire ward kire serikali kiro mwaka nko bekere budget ya jipara. Development. ka community miaka 5 kera nje nyurete nga munyaribari chachi gosichi aba kura rende no township kura ni bwene cross ipa yani community mbanya kulia rise ntoka netia karami no 1 kilometer.
So sad.
It is the same story we did for Tongi. Tongi did 5 years when he was leaving. The kerago chigo so kama was 2 kilometers ateneni pale ino ateneni now.
A mistake.
It's a mistake. We have finished. So monto go so abono buna birundu ago so aiga. Abana bali mobilizeri abana birongo abanyarebe abu am putting them into a circle ebese abe baganyete by August. Bunango so aiga nje ne birongo ngole register banyole certificate bacha ko collegas.
Aisigo.
Bese abonero asisi gazeto kubika. So as they get used to go tomwa samatanga go tomwa kwa manyajikoro mujumbo karombirundu. So as I organize yunkunya ko marking nga na ekero birongo mbabeke sako agera mochako agachobugi mabwino. Yes.
As we wind up, Dr. King Fred Matiang'i is doing his campaigns.
Yes.
Do you think he's going to be considered by the United Opposition as the flag bearer?
No, I can't speak for Fred. He's on another level. But what I can tell you, regardless of how they are speaking, I can only tell Fred, Omogusi make their final decision. And it takes a whole generation. It has taken over 20 years. We cast to Ikire. We have made a decision. Fred. Bonere bamutegerere mutegerera into tumanyete tukoranete sabari eyo ekeroko tuganyete into ya set to the ballot so ndoko manyanga kibao cha kwalinje manganabo. Yes, so we are already set we are already set ntubwati another option. Talibo tega ba como musabate nga bachigotene na chikura. So the decision has been made in 2027 umuntu tubwate candidate yo president.
Okay.
Matiang'i baiguana into Matiang'i tubwate asago totebinga bono twaikire ngana otoikira ogijamba mutenga taliero ko be presidential candidate. We will not accept anything. Yeah.
Is the most qualified?
Oppose all of them. Yeah, immediately. Yeah.
Is the most qualified?
No nyembo na igana elinda mwananchi tuturumbuke gusiba tayatari Matiang'i bago support. It's not all we are. Abu. So Matiang'i has to be in the calculation. Never na say United Opposition bali never linda mwananchi never ngusi never nekero alati bakurigichikura na babo majago no nyonka. Language yo the gutegerera. Matiang'i. And that is the only party I can speak for him. About how he is going to engage, you can already see. Bagumira na babolengo, mbalingi na babagashagwa, you know the reception, babolengo linda mwananchi, babosifuna, about babu. Into tomoregete.
Kabisa.
Sanga baucha kumu-announce. Ere tukuna melite. That is only thing.
Mheshimiwa, Tiang'i wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, Mukua. I sincerely appreciate it. Ndio kanda te yanto banyari bari church.